now, hey now. Hey now, hey now.
Hey guys, it's Ariel and welcome back to my channel. Now, as all you guys know, our spoopy season is over. We love Halloween. I love Halloween. We love dressing up. You love Halloween, right?
Mm-hmm.
We brought Rachel back. Y'all loved Rachel in my vlog, so we thought we would do a fun little sit-down video today. Another little get ready with me, a first impressions video. Now, you know, fall's coming up, so the leaves are falling, the colors are changing, and we have...
Did you just pick your nose?
I itched my eye.
Yikes.
So now it's the fall. We all get to bundle up in our little snuggies, Snuggisha Sparkses, our sweaters, our Burger Berry with the carbs.
We both have one, so you can relax.
I stole mine though.
Oh, you're the better person then. Thank you everybody, by the way, for all those comments about me. Oh my god, I love you guys. Yay!
You look so funny right now.
Good.
So what a better way to step into fall than to dip into some neutrals. So today we are going to be playing with the new Tati Beauty Neutrals palette. Volume 1. Volume 1. It's like Hogwarts. So the beastly beast bitches volume. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and take a little look at the palette. So it's very, very pretty. I like how she kind of gave like a color story for a bunch of different looks you can do. Like for this one, this is like Slutty Sally going to Philly, like to hit all the clubs. Yeah,
yes.
Jerseylicious. This one's like really dark, the dark brown. This one's like playing like you wanna kind of get it that night, but it's not guaranteed. This one's the sassy orange bitch. I think that you should be sassy orange bitch. What do you think?
I'll do whatever, yes.
Then there's like the I'm not a girl, not yet a woman. Then this one's just like, hey girl, I have to go to the grocery store to pick up some bottled asparagus and just let the kids have it. Now this one is the party girl. This one is gonna be my look today. And this is for like a really pretty like red color story. So I'm really loving this one. Like this one just screams my name because I either like a blue or like a nice cranberry, if you will. And you have cranberries at Thanksgiving. So
Thanks.
I'm gonna just have Thanksgiving dinner on my face. We're just gonna pop around and we'll tell you the colors we're using.
First, we're gonna put on some primer.
Look at you! I actually was gonna forget primer again. So I got my P. Louise that I'm gonna try. It was actually pretty good. Grab a little hand mirror.
That's a good idea because I'm using the camera, which is like 19 yards away from me. I still don't know what I'm doing for my eyes. I'm just like blending it with my finger because it makes me feel better. I don't know if it's technically good, but...
Just leave me alone.
And I'm using a brush. All right, my primer's on. How about you? I used the P. Louise base. What did you use?
Urban Decay.
Did you mean to put most of it on your nose, or did you want it on your eyelid?
All right, so we're gonna start with our creases and geeses. I'm gonna tap into the color Poet for my crease. What are you gonna do?
Crease, so this.
I think you need story.
In my
just
crease?
to start, yeah.
I was gonna go safe.
You don't put a shimmer in your crease, girl. Matt.
He taught me everything I know about makeup, and I've regressed a little bit.
Oh, that's really pretty. It's also really dark. This blends out so good. Look at this.
Really? Oh, that's good. I'm just a mad beginner, and I go slow.
So with this color, I'm just kind of stamping it onto the crease and then blending it upward.
Same.
How's that orange working?
So it's orange, and I don't know where I'm gonna go from here. But we're all gonna see. We're all gonna take this journey together.
Basically, this video review is kind of like coming from like a makeup junkie to like a makeup like, not beginner, I wouldn't call you a beginner, but...
A makeup like level 30 of 100.
Yeah, like if I was in the 90s range, you'd be in like the 30s.
I'm just blending this up, maybe.
If that's what you're supposed to do.
All right, how are our creases looking? Oh, that's really orange.
Girl, look how orange you fucking look, girl.
I like it though. Oh, it's like a board game. It's like, this is the color story.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
this isn't the color poet. This is
It's
Mad Poet.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh.
Okay, so then I'm gonna take Sequin Poet on my lid, and you're gonna do Sequin Story on your lid.
I kind of wanted to do like, even though it's
Okay, so she's gonna do Metallic Poet on her lid. Oh, and this has like a really pretty blue in it, like a blue glitter dust.
So I'm just putting it on my eyeball with my eyes closed. For all you gurus out there, I can't wait for the glitter at the end.
The smokiest red smoky eye. These colors are kind of like similar though. This is almost turning up a little bit darker, but it's like this is the same color as the one I just put in my crease. It just has that blue glitter. It's really freaking pretty though.
This is a little bit sheer.
It's
Question
sheer.
mark? Does it look like fire?
Fire!
Alright, so now what we're going to do is take those colors that we put into our crease and we're just going to wrap that underneath of the eye. So I'm going to wrap Matte Poet on the bottom and you're going to do Matte Story. Okay, I'm going to say the blend factor on these is like a 10 out of 10. Like these blend out flawlessly. Alright, now that we've got that on our under eye, now that we got our under eyes blended out, we're going to take this color Aura, both of us, Matte Aura, and we're going to use this to kind of set the brow bone. That's nice. It's definitely brightening under the brow.
And guys, level 30 tip. If you ever mess up,
Just take it all off and start over.
Why is it level like from 1 to 100? Why couldn't it just be like 1 through 10? Like why couldn't you be a 3 out of 10?
It's complicated.
I'm just gonna do this for long you're doing it. I kind of want to add another color to make it pop, but I don't know.
I want to take this color, let's smoke out the sides with black. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So now we're both going to take the color Memory Black and we're just going to kind of smoke out the outsides of the eye.
Smoke it on the outside.
So just like
of the
stamp it
eye.
on the edge and then blend it inward. This is a nice black. It blends out really nice. So I just helped Rachel blend out her eye a little bit and I am noticing that any color that's like not a matte color is definitely like a little bit more sheer. As I was trying to blend Story Metallic onto her lid, it kind of just like disappears. It is definitely very sheer, so I don't know. But the mattes are really good. I like basically only a matte on except for that glittery thing, but the glitter kind of went away. So now I just kind of have a big red and black smoky eye. I think because those colors are so similar, I'm just gonna tap into this color, Metallic Poet, really fast and just put that on my lid and see if it does anything. So I'm gonna wet my brush first to kind of just give it a little bit more pigment.
Just to see.
Yeah,
if it does
super,
anything.
super sheer. Very
You didn't
sheer.
spray?
Yeah.
The
Look, so
black
see, I
out
just
of
put it
it.
on my lid. Can you even really see it?
Yeah, I see a difference.
Right, but I feel like the colors are like laid out to kind of use them as the eye, but I feel like they all look the same. Do you know what I mean? And just different
Oh, no,
formulas.
that's what it's supposed to be. It's the same color, but different finishes. That's what it is. Yeah.
So they're all supposed to be the same color, but just different finishes. Well, all right. But I feel like most people wouldn't know that, you know what I'm saying? And the way it's laid out, it makes it look like you're supposed to wear it as like that color story.
Yeah.
All right, so we're now gonna go ahead and move on to the glitter. Now, I think I'm gonna do it in the inner corner. Are you gonna do the lid? Maybe I'll do the lid. Yeah, let's do the lid and onto the inner corner. And I believe you used your finger for this.
I hate that.
All right, so I'm gonna tap into Poet, and which one are you gonna use?
I'm gonna use this green. No, it's not
So I'm
green.
gonna use this one. Here we go.
I'm gonna use Ritual in Glitter.
Bitch. This glitter is actually really nice. You know, they have a lot of those palettes where it's like those pressed glitters, like those little Party City shitty ones. This is not like that. Yeah, that is really, really pretty.
Oh,
And I'm just gonna go back in with this brush and kind of blend out the extra glitter off. It does get a little messy. Now, I'm not afraid to mix glitters, so I'm gonna dip into Aura glitter and put that more towards the inner corner.
me having my mouth open while I'm doing anything. I feel like I'm an old woman. Alright, let's see.
That's nice. Yeah, I didn't expect it to be, but the glitter's a little messy. All right, so we are now tapping into the glitter with a brush to really apply it to the inner corner. It's going on fine, though. This suddenly went from like fall glam to like New Year's party real fast.
Oh my god, I know.
Oh, this would actually be perfect palette for New Year's.
This could also be like really slutty Thanksgiving too. Yeah.
I'm just gonna carve the turkey.
My puss.
Also, this is really important. If you put too much glitter on in one spot, don't worry.
Just take it all off.
To even smoke it out a little bit more, I'm taking that matte memory, and I'm just running that on the outer corner of my under eye. Because mine just went like full hookah real fast. Oh, I'm actually like loving it though.
Oh, yours looks really good.
I'm gonna apply a black gel liner on my waterline. And while Rachel's figuring out what she wants to do with her eye in her life, I'm just gonna go ahead and add some liquid liner to the top.
Oh.
Alright, well I finished up my eyeliner, and while Rachel's still going through it, I'm gonna just go ahead and finish my base.
Every time I do my eyeliner, one looks Egyptian, the other looks like a cat. So I don't know.
These eyes are so smoky and sexy.
Mine. Can I borrow some mascara?
Alright, now we're gonna scrub our lips with some velour lip scrub. Alright, I might be crazy, but I want to eat some. Is that bad?
No, I think you can eat it.
I like want to try it.
I think it's edible. I think you can eat it.
It's really good.
It's so good. A little chapstick. Now we could either do like a nice nude lip with this, like with mine, or like a dark vampy lip. Which one do we want to do?
Dark vampy.
Yeah.
I want to do a crazy ass lip.
Alright guys, we're now going to apply our liquid lips, and I'm going to be using Malt from Anastasia, and she's going to be using...
Bittersweet.
Bittersweet.
Bittersweet. Oh, fogged all up.
And now I'm just going to blend that inward.
I actually like this color a lot.
And we're both going to be using the gloss Rum from Anastasia. Oh my god, so pretty. These are definitely good fall looks.
I don't know if I would have put on the black because I'm not adventurous.
Oh my god, are we even doe-eyed little Diaz? We need highlight.
Sounds great.
And I'm using Diamond Wet from Jeffree Star.
Me too. You know what? I like it. I love all the glitter. I'm gonna go crazy with the glitter.
Why are did you put blush on, or did you not put foundation on your cheeks?
I did, but I like do this to put eyeshadow on.
Right, but you have
so-
no makeup on your cheeks. Like I can fully see your skin and it's bright red.
Well,
Still there. Well, that's gonna screw up my contour, and then yeah, my cheeks are red. I don't know why. Oh, I think it's because I like rest my hand on my cheek as I'm doing my eyes.
Set your makeup, baby.
I don't have setting thingy.
Do you ever use setting powder?
Yeah, it's at home.
Do you want some setting powder?
Please. Because then it's all gonna come off in 2 seconds.
Turn makeup, doe-eyed little Dia.
Thank you. See, if you're a 30, get yourself a 90.
The shimmery doe-eyed little Dia nose.
Yay. You know?
Now I think we need some lashes. Yeah, with the lashes, this is like a 10. Are you not putting lashes on?
I don't know how. I mean, I do, it's just, if my foundation comes off for me breathing, then can you imagine what lashes?
I would have to say, like, final thoughts. I mean, I like it. You know, I'm never gagged by like neutrals. That's not something like that like speaks to me, because I like the like brighter, kind of like more like brights. But I like it for somebody that wants to actually like do like just beautiful glam neutral makeup. It's a great palette. I like that it has the glitter in there that like you can, you know, amp up the look with for like special occasion, or if like you're going to the movies and like in the back row, you know.
Oh, I haven't worn lashes in years.
Night and day. Did you just rub your face so that?
No, I just pulled down my eye.
And I bet the the foundation's gone. Literally right where you just touched, all the foundation is gone.
Oh yeah, the night and day. Oh, I love my makeup now.
Uh-huh. You know what we need to do? It's driving me nuts. Nuts
We did it.
kabuts.
Thank you for fixing this.
Oh, night and day.
Oh, yes!
With the lashes and the brows, it's good.
It's...
Oh!
I hit a bunch of stuff, but that's
Okay,
fine.
ready?
All
This
right.
just smells so good. It smells like an expensive hotel. Like, I love it, right? Or like a pool, like an expensive
A
hotel.
nice light cologne of some sort.
Yeah. Oh god, I could just bathe in this. Jesus. We look like really fucking hot vampires, right?
Yes.
Like,
How about this one? No. How about that one? Yes.
What is this bronzer? It's so dirty looking.
Too Faced.
Girl, how long have you had that?
Oh, it doesn't smell like chocolate no more.
12 months.
How long have you had that?
Years.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Let me smell it.
It doesn't smell like chocolate anymore.
Oh, girl, this is expired. Did you just dent my wall?
No, the trash can is right there.
All right, well, now that our makeup is fully done and we are looking like freaking hot, sexy vampires, thanks to the Tati Beauty Volume 1 palette, we're gonna go get into our final fall looks and we will see you guys shortly.
Bye. Ugh, I hate fucking posing! Ugh, I'm so...
Alright guys, well that wraps up our fall, smoky, toky, beautiful, gorgeous fall looks with the Tati Beauty Volume 1 palette. I really, really like this palette. I think this is going to be perfect for somebody that, you know, isn't like a big explorer in the makeup realm, if you will. Like, you're not like the Lara Croft of makeup palettes. Just go ahead and get this because it has beautiful neutrals, lots of color stories you can play with. And when you want to let out your inner hoe, you can pop that glitter on and it'll be perfect for you. Like I said, I really like this palette. It is a little bit more on the pricier side. I believe it's like in the $50 to $60 range. Just kidding, I just looked it up, it's $48. But I think that the mattes are really great in here, and I think that the color stories are really, really pretty. I'm loving this dark, vampy fantasy that it gave me, and I think Rachel's orange look came out really, really cute too. And the cool thing is, it has a really freaking sickening blendability, so even if you're just a beginner with makeup, it's going to be perfect for you because girl, you can just blendisha that right out and be on your way, and it looks really good. But yeah, I would have to give the Tati Beauty Volume 1 palette a thumbs up in my book. And if you guys are not already, make sure you are subscribed to my channel and click that notification bell so you guys know when I'm posting new videos. Lots more fall videos coming. I have my Cinderella video up, and if you guys want to see your next favorite Disney princess in the modern world, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. I love you guys. Thank you guys for watching. And as always,
Yes.
Busy hands!